Panda. I got broads in Atlanta.
And welcome to the Judeo-Christian origin story, made by Paul, Towie,
Antonio,
Pasan.
in the beginning of time, there was nothing. God created the heavens and the earth. There was nothing on the earth to begin with, though. It was just a formless void with darkness filling the earth's surface. The Spirit of God was over the waters, controlling it. He created the light. He saw that the light was a good thing because the light helped all the darkness uncover. He separated the light from the darkness. From there, God named the light day, and he named the darkness the night. That was created on the first day.
The next day God said, "Let there be a dome between the water and itself." After saying this, he created the sky as a result. He did so in order to separate all the waters of the earth in two. After finishing the job, God viewed what he had created and called the dome separating the water sky, and then he rested, and time flew by to create the second day.
On the third day, God said for the seas to be gathered into a single place, so that dry ground may appear. He called the body of water the seas, and the formation of dry ground land. He then said for the land to grow its vegetation. The land produced plants and trees bearing fruit with seeds in it of every kind. Then, when he created the seas and land with vegetation, he saw that it was good. That was created on the third day.
On the fourth day, God stated to let there be lights in the dome of the sky to separate the day from the night. These two big shining lights in the sky govern the day and night. The greater light determined the day, and the lesser light determined the night. God made the stars as well, and set them in the dome of the sky to give light on the earth. These stars also govern the day and the night, separating the light from the darkness. God saw that this was very good. Then there was day, and then there was night, the fourth day.
When God looked at the waters, he noticed they were vastly empty. So he called upon the creation of fish in order to fill the seven seas, and multitudes of birds and winged creatures to swim and soar in the seas and the skies, respectfully. God liked his new creation so much that he blessed the birds and the fish to be plentiful and to fill each of their new homes. And then he rested after all his work, and time flew by to create the fifth day.
On the next day, God created living animals of every kind: fish, dogs, cows, pigs, birds, etc. Creatures that move on the ground, creatures that fly in the air, and creatures that move through the water. God also made the livestock and every wild animal of every kind. God also created humans. God made humans in his image, with arms, legs, a body, and a head. He also gave humans the gift of control of all living creatures and non-living things. God gave humans the ability to reproduce and told them to cover the whole earth. He made humankind in his own image. He created a male and a female. He also gave humans the ability to take dominion over every animal, whether it was in the sea or on land. He told the humans to be fruitful and increase in number.
After creating man, he told them that he had given over to them every plant that was edible for them to eat. He also gave every animal on the earth the non-edible plants for them to eat as well. After confirming this within his creations, he took a look over everything he had made up to this point and decided for himself that it was a good. After looking over his work, he rested from working, and in doing so, time flew by to create the seventh day. God had noticed that what he has made was very good.